Okay, so we're going to work on groups and items in each group. So when your adult goes to the grocery store, they buy items. They buy a loaf of bread, they buy milk, they buy eggs. They put those items into bags, grocery bags. That is your group. So if you think of groups as the grocery bag, the items in each group as the things in the grocery bag, that will help you understand groups and items. So let's start with three groups. So I'm going to draw three circles, and those are going to be my groups or my bags of groceries. Whoops, that's really way far over there. Hold on. Let's see if I can move it. There we go. Okay, and then let's see, make another one. Ooh, these are like out of control circles. I don't usually make them this way. I usually draw them, but it's really giant. Okay, and one more circle. Hopefully not as giant. Now it looks a little like Mickey Mouse. Okay, so there are my three circles. This one is way super huge, but I don't know how to make it smaller. Okay, so we'll just live with that. Those are my three groups. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put items. Oh, let me put, first of all, that we have three groups. I have 1, 2, 3 groups, 3 grocery bags. So I'm going to put 3 up here. Now I'm going to put items in each group. Now the thing about multiplication is it has to have the same number of items in each group. So I'm going to put a heart in each circle. 1. Actually, let's do this. Let's do 4 hearts in each circle. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 hearts in each circle. So I'm going to put items in each group is 4. So I have 3 grocery bags with 4 items in each bag. Now I'm going to count them up and find out how many I have all together. So I'm going to count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry for my 6 there. I ran over the line a little bit. 8's kind of smudgy. 9. Whoa, really bad 9. 10, 11. I was trying to hurry, and that's what happens when you rush. 12. So I have 12 altogether. My total is 12. Okay, so let's try this with division. I'm going to use the same numbers, but if you look at my blanks, first I have my total, then I have my groups, then I have my items in each group. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to do my 12 hearts, because I want you to see how these relate. So I'm going to make 12 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are my 12 hearts. So that is my total. So I'm going to put 12 on my total blank. Now, because I had 3 groups in the other picture, I'm going to do 3 groups here as well. And I think because my circles were so out of control on the other slide, I'm just going to draw some wonky circles. So these are lumpy, but they're circles all the same. Okay, so I have 3 groups. I have 3 grocery bags that I'm going to put things in. Okay, so 3 groups, 3 circles, 3 grocery bags. Now I'm going to take my hearts and I'm going to move them, one for me, one for you, into each circle. 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for you. It's not really 1 for me, 1 for you. It's kind of like you, you, and you. 1 for you, 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 and one for you. So now I want to make sure that I have the same number of items in each group. Not counting the total, I'm counting the items in the group. So I'm going to keep repeat counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 in each group. I have the same number in each group. So I have 4 items in each grocery bag. Okay, so 12 divided by 3 equals 4. I hope that helps you understand the difference between groups and items in each group.